Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then click on App Cloner and click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Facebook. Then wait a couple of seconds. And when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, access exactly the same settings and click on No Blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!